The impact of wars on climate. Wars does not only cause destroyed cities, burning forests, displaced populations. Modern wars affect more than just people and economies. They also leave a significant mark on the environment and global climate. Today, we'll explore how conflicts in Ukraine, Palestine, and Lebanon are contributing to this environmental crisis. We will talk about military emissions and infrastructure destruction, military equipment in action, smoke rising from destroyed factories, a nightmare for who is living without a hope, and suffer the terrible effects of the leader's folly. Armed conflicts release massive amounts of greenhouse gases, that is causing global warming and desperation in the people. The destruction of entire cities, like those in Ukraine, contributes significantly to CO2 emissions, accelerating global warming, contributing to the destruction of our favorite planet. And it doesn't stop there. The reconstruction of these areas post-conflict generates even more emissions, comparable to the annual output of some countries. As if that weren't enough, the devastated forests, abandoned agricultural lands, entire cities filled with smoke, forests and agricultural lands, which once acted as carbon sinks, are being destroyed in conflict zones. In Ukraine and Lebanon, these vital ecosystems have turned into battlegrounds, releasing stored carbon instead of absorbing it. Energy supply and fossil fuel dependence. In the conflict zones, oil refineries under attack, long lines at fuel stations being destroyed, nuclear plants being bombed. Wars also expose our dangerous dependence on fossil fuels to further aggravate the catastrophic situation to which the planet is subjected. In Ukraine, the energy crisis in Europe worsened, leading governments to increase military spending to secure access to oil and gas instead of focusing on sustainable energy solutions. Population displacement and humanitarian crises. Refugees crossing borders, overcrowded refugee camps. Conflicts force millions of people to leave their homes, creating humanitarian crises. In Lebanon and Gaza, the strain on local natural resources, such as water and food, intensifies, further degrading the environment in host regions. These wars demonstrate that armed conflicts are a threat not only to peace but also to the planet. Post-war reconstruction must prioritize environmental sustainability. Peace is not just a matter of human security, it is essential for climate security as well. This is a call to reflection and action. Did you find this content insightful? Leave a comment, share, and remember, peace is essential not only for humanity but also for the planet.